In this video, I have told about the rank transformation properties, ports in rank transformation, rank index, defining groups, creating mapping, and taking a scenario.
Okay, I'm starting the rank actually. What is the rank transformation inside our Informatica? How and where we can use this transformation if needed requirement. So rank is also just an active transformation and connected. Why we are saying as a active and connected? Because that one is also it's changed during the processing. That's why we are saying the active, and connected is just connected from the previous transformation, and it's connected to the your target. So that's why we are telling as a connected transformations. Got it? The rank transformation actually allow us to select only the top or bottom rank, okay, of data. It allow us to select a group of top or bottom value, not just one value. Actually, during the session, the PowerCenter server cache input until it can perform the rank calculation. Okay. Rank transformation properties like this cache directory, where cache will be made top, bottom, rank as per needed. Okay. Uh, Number of ranks 1, 2, or any case sensitive comparison can be checked if needed. If so, if you want to compare via some names kind of your case sensitive, just upper lower cases, that kind of things you can compare inside the rank. Rank data cache size can be set. Okay, cache size also there. You can set like size and other thing, and the rank index cache size can be set. So both you can set according to your choice, according to your requirement. Okay. These are the rank properties. What is the properties behind this? Like port is given, like input, output, variable, and rank. These are the port actually inside the rank transformations. Okay. So input port can be one minimum. This is the description port to receive data from another transformation. This is the input port. It will be receive the data from the previous transformation. And output port is actually port we want to pass the other transformation. Means that column value you can pass to other transformations. Variable, that's it will be totally depends on the requirement, not needed. You can use the store value or calculation to even an expression. As a variable, you can define your formula here under the variable transformation. You can use the transfer that variable value to your output. Okay. And the rank is only one. Rank is calculated according to you to it. The rank is port and input output. We must link the rank port to another transformation. Example like total salary. Okay. Rank index, the designer. What is the rank index actually? uh, Parallelly I'm just showing. I remember I thought to be explained, but yeah, no worry, we'll cover that because parallelly just want to show you so that you can just remind where is actually rank and what is the real properties there, right? So that you can relate better. This is the Informatica. I'm just training. Yeah, rank transformation scenario on that day I will cover. Yeah, this is the rank transformation we have discussed on that day. This is the properties actually. What is the currently we are discussing? This is the port which are discussing just now. Input port, right? Output port, variable, and the rank. These are the four port under your rank transformation. Input is nothing but it is basically this is the input. we are just taking the values from the previous transformation, just like employee number, name, job, manager, hired it, right? And output, like the same value you can transfer to the your output and next transformations, right? Like rank index is like seeded. This is the provided by the this is this transformation always. And a variable port is nothing. If you want to click or you want to calculate anything, just suppose just hide it, right? You can, if you click on variable port, it will be click here and you will provide the some option. You can write some functions apply here, right? So you can calculate here, and then this value you can transfer as a next as a output. Okay. Okay. So these are the, and last one is a rank. Rank is nothing. This is the port actually where we can use a total things, right? Here we are discussing rank index is nothing. Rank index is actually designer automatically create a rank index. This is the seeded actually. What is the discussion? And the last one we discussing the R port. Only rank port. Rank is calculated according to it. The rank port is an input and output port. We must link the rank port to another transformation. Example like total salary, right? So the same example we have replicated in Saturday or scenario. So this one use as a totaling things, right? Now the rank, just detail. The rank it designer automatically creates, right? I just see it. You can say, and port each rank transformation. The PowerCenter server uses the rank index port to store the ranking position for each row in a group. For example, if we create a rank transformation that ranks the top 5 salary employee, the rank index number, the employee from 1 to 5, right? The rank index is an output port only. We can pass the rank index to another transformation in the mapping or directly to a target. Got it? We cannot delete or edit anything. Okay. How to define the group inside your rank? Rank transformation allow us to group transformation. Okay. For example, if you want to select the top 3 salary employee, then each department we can define a group for a department, right? So by defining group, we create one set of rank row. Each group, we define a group in a port type. Uh, Click the group by for needed the port. We cannot group by one port, which is also rank port. Okay. So here in example, let me show what was the we define. On that day, we have taken the simple example. I thought, uh, okay, this is the employee table as a source, uh, and we are trying to just a total salary, okay, on the basis of your employees, okay. So let me show you the actual. Just I execute, and I will explain what is the actual things here. Let me open the database as well. So rank is basically nothing. You understand, like where it requires ordering type of top 5, top 3, top 4 kind of a requirement. Then we can use there as a rank transformation inside our map. Okay. Yeah, top 5 employee salary if required. Then that time we are using. So here some example is given to keep finding top 5 salary employee, right? So we can. Just example, we are creating the will source as a table, employee table, employee rank. I thought same example we have replicated. Let me open. Okay. Source target is the target table. Select star from EMP. Source is your select star EMP table. Okay. These are the EMP table where 14 record is there. Okay. And just arranging all. Here is just a source we have taken the employee table. So expression we are nothing, only just created the output port here. Okay. Sally, same as a port we have created and just replicated same value as a formula. See the output we are created here and the same column we have taken as out. Okay. uh, for scenario validation. Okay, just creating the rank. Inside the rank we are just all input put we have replicated here, and I want to check what is the and group by department wise. If you notice here, right, we are just segregating the department wise. Let me run this workflow, start workflow, and I can check what is the department wise salary. Yeah, it succeeded. Total 14 record and it was came is 6 only, right? Why you are 6? Because total 6 department with different salary. This is the source and this one is target. If you notice here, 10 department having 2 value. There is 2 salary, right? 20 having 2 salary, 11 and 12, and 30 having the same salary, right? So rank is defined. Suppose here is department 10. I I was tag the employee sequence as a rank column. Okay. Department name having two salary. First is 13,000, 1300. There is the rank is first, and 10 department, but salary is different. Then is given as a second rank. Okay. A similar way, 20 department number and salary is 1100. Then rank is defined as a one, and then second salary 2975. 20 departments, second rank. If you notice in 30 department, there is 500 and 1400. Sorry, 1200. Salary, both salary is same. Okay, that's why each rank given 1 1. Suppose in employee or in academic, some persons, some students get the same numbers. Then rank should be like same way. Rank should be same. Okay, so that then we can define. Then rank would be based on the your salary. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is the scenario what we try to discuss. Kind of okay, we can use the rank the same way. So this one is the what the example of that is. Okay. Similar way here is second example, finding the top 2 salary employee for every department. Okay. So you can use like this. Same. I thought this example we replicated. Open the mapping, made the edit rank and group by department wise. Go to properties, set the number of rank to. Okay, so top two employee means top one here is some properties inside the rank. It asking the top two means yeah rank a two. Suppose we just ask a top one, then it will be came rank one. So let me explain. This is the property. Suppose top five, top four. So you can define here. Then uh, it will be replicated automatically. Okay. So this property is very key role actually. Uh, Number of ranks. Okay. This is the very key role. You can just define number of rank. I will just explain here as well so that you can suppose if any issue anywhere like because you are searching in Google, maybe something different. But if you search in your here in help, right, everything Informatica is given to you. Okay, so PowerCenter, I can just search the particular rank. This is the rank transformation, right? Because suppose which version you are working, the same version, everything like limitations and everything is defined, right, in your Informatica version. So better to just search in a help, take a help. And here, if everything defined, if you notice here, there is transformation type is active and connected, right? You can select only the top or bottom rank of the data with rank transformation. Use a rank transformation to return the largest or smallest numeric value in a port or a group. Okay. You can also use a rank transformation to return the string at the top or the bottom of a session. Sort order like ascending descending during the session. The integration services cache input data until it can perform the rank calculation. Okay. If you notice here, every example is also given here. The rank transformation differ from a transformation function like max and min. Okay. Suppose you are using in PL SQL, there is a max and min as aggregator function. This one, it will rank transformation is different from this function actually, because via max and min you can also extract like this, but it's not work actual like your rank transformation, right? In that it lets you select a group of top or bottom in values, not just one values. Okay, here in rank transformation we can select top or bottom kind of thing, but in max min function we cannot give in a single value we can give all grouping, where suppose in you want to group by, then you can take the this column in your select statement, right? Then you can do the group by. That's why here it try to explain we cannot that's not a similar as a max min kind. Just one example value, for example, use rank to select the top 10 salesperson, right, in a given territory, or to generate a financial report. You might also use a rank transformation to identify the three departments with the lowest expense salary and overhead while the SQL language provides. Okay, many functions designed to handle group of data identify top or bottom state within a set of rows, not possible using the standard SQL. Got it? Why where rank comes in picture, because multiple functions and everything is logic is defined in PL SQL, right? But that one is not a very clear picture given like rank transformation. That's why so that's why you are telling you can use the rank transformation, because someone is using like can write the SQL in SQL qualifier, right? SQL query, but that way you cannot handle. So here you connect all ports representing the same way rows set to transformation only. The rows that fall within the rank based on the same measures you set when you configure the transformation pass to the rank transformation. You can also write expression to transform data perform. Here each given some your extra privilege. Like you can parallelly you can transfer your all related columns, means or other columns with your rank columns. Okay, that facility is given. But if you try to use other like PL SQL and SQL and max min kind of functions, there will not the kind of facility. Okay. An active transform, the rank transformation might change the number of row passed through it. You might pass 100 row to rank transformation, but select rank only the top 10 row, which pass through the rank transformation to another. Why is explain why we are telling the active transform? Because we suppose we passing 100, it will be reduce the number of row or increase the number of row. That's why we are telling as active transformations. Here is some ranking string value, rank essay, rank transformation properties. Here is try to explain. So you can, if you want like this one version like lower, you can search in help box just a limitation or syntax you want to search like. So you can check in here is everything is given. So you can just check like what is supported by your current versions, right? Everything is given inside your Informatica, right? So this one is rank actually, but just explaining. I'm just discussing our next scenario. You able to understand, right? What is the rank and what is the property?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
These are the some scenario rank कैसे. Why just I'm discussing the rank कैसे because why you are telling कैसे means just temporary memory, like if you notice discuss in PL SQL there is cursor, right? Cursor is nothing but just storing if you start the cursor, just open the cursor, it will be take all information and store in temporary area. And when you open and fetch or loop anything, you can pick from that temporary area and use, because some context switching process remove. The similar way, Informatica provide us the cache. If you create configure that cache, it will be suppose we are just employee table, right? At example, we just start integration service, start the reading the data. Once read the data and store in your temporary area in cache, ranked cache. When you configure like top 2, top 3, top 4 kind of, it will be calculate based on your pick the data from cache and calculate, then you transfer in output port in your target tables. That is the similar thing. Okay, the simple sample rank mapping, where is some sample given like example when you configure the here some when the PowerCenter server run a session, okay, with a rank transformation, it compare an input row with rows in the data cache. Okay, if the input row outrank is store a row, the PowerCenter server replace the stored row with input row. Okay. While comparing, suppose you're already in once it was run, right? Suppose if data is different and he read some input data from the your current employee table, right? It looks like different. It will be replace the existing data. Okay, that kind of work it will be do by the cache, and use and always read the data from cache to target. Here is some example. PowerCenter cache of first 5 row. If you are finding top 5 salaried employee, when 6 row is read, it compare it with the 5 row in cache and place it a cache is needed. Okay, you understand this example, right? Suppose already 5 rows is readed, we have defined, right? And a new record, suppose we are configure again 6 employee, yeah, top 6 rank we want to extend. So already 5 is there in our cache area. Then it will compare from all 5. If exist the data, then you can pick from the cache. If not exist, then it will insert new row in there. That is
Hmm.
actually a cache one. Okay. Here is rank index कैसे? What is the rank index कैसे? Rank index कैसे is nothing but that is the holds the group information from group by port. Okay. Suppose you have group by port given the department number, right? The department wise we do the group. So if you are using the group by and department number, then this cache is stored value like all department number, it will be stored in your rank index cache like 10, 20, and 30. Total three record is there. The three record it will be stored in your rank index cache. Simple thing, whatever you have taken group column, that group column it will be stored in a rank cache. That is a simple thing. Okay. And next is rank data cache. What is the rank data cache? Rank data cache is simple, nothing. It holds raw data until the PowerCenter server complete the ranking. It will store the all data, right? Kind of. Once your process is get done, it will be removed. It will be revoked, kind of. Ranking it generally larger than the index cache. Okay. To reduce the data cache size, connect only the necessary input output port to subsequent transformations. Okay. All variable port, if their rank ports, all ports going out from rank transformation are stored in a rank data cache. Example, suppose all port except department in our mapping example. Because department number is on rank cache, sorry, index cache, right? Rank index cache. And the rest column it will be coming a rank data cache. Here is one scenario I want to explain here. Scenario suppose for demonstration, let's consider a business scenario. The sales department wants to build a report showing top 5 items for a year, right? Top 5 any item, right? This solution should be built on the reusable component, okay? Created for the quarterly sales report. Quarterly means after 3 months, right? This solution will be built on the reusable component created for the quarterly sales report. Here, use the quarterly sales maplet. Here is why is saying maplet. We are using in multiple mapping, so that he suggested us to create the maplet for quarter things. We can right as a source for the mapping. Use a rank transformation that will rank the data coming out of the maplet. Okay, and compute an annual sales figure for each item. The end result should be a table containing the top 5 selling item for each year. Here is mapping output. Suppose here maplet is given as a sales, and here is rank transformation created. Okay. Here is some details, right? In a mapping designer, create a new mapping by this. Drag the maplet. Here is a quarter sales. Here is one maplet created as a quarter sales size as a source. The navigator window into a workspace. Create a target sales. This one. This one is a maplet, right? This is the item sales per year by this is the target tables. Maplet is this one. Input sales quarter, item ID, item name, year, quarter 2, 3, 4, total 4. All because in year is total 4 quarter. That's why here is created. Item wise quarters created, right? As a source. Then it's tagged in your rank transformation. Rank is if you the visual rank index is defaults coming in your rank transformation. Then item ID, item name, year, quarter. Last one is year sales, right? The year sales is write the formula quarter 1 plus quarter 2. Make the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4 input only port and give the default value the 0 to each port. Group by year. Here is given group by year. Okay. Because group why you're giving the group by year, because he wants the year wise data, right? Just click on particular this column. Add a new port after quarter sales. Make a name it year sales. Make it output only, right? And in expression, if you notice, their last column is total. it will added all quarter sales data. Okay, like this. Okay, and in top and set the number of rank attribute is 5. Top 5 rank I will pick. Okay, then you must try it the item ID, item name, then year and year sales. Only 4 columns were loaded. So load the target. Okay, run the workflow, and this data should be came like this. Okay, item ID like this, and item name, and the year is 1 year. Under 1 year there is the sales via item wise. Okay, this is the repeatable item which is coming in sales. The kind of data we can configure, or kind of properties. Suppose here is scenario was given. You need to extract the top 5 reusable data in a year, right? Top 5. So you can configure the top 5 in your rank property, and the year is and your maplet. Why you are created the maplet? Because that maplet you can use in everywhere inside your mapping, because that maplet is doing is nothing. There is the item via item wise quarter sales is extracted, right? So you can use as a source and extract the top 5 uh, data. Okay, so in rank transformation, nothing, only minor things you need to just take care. Uh, like properties, right? What is the properties inside your rank? Means suppose here uh, current example was discussed, there is top 5 ranks, right? Then you need to configure here top 5 means 5 you can configure. Want to bottom or top? If example says you need to extract from top, then you need to from top. If one here is saying bottom side, right? You configure like bottom. Okay, these are the property, and the port is given like here is total sell it here. In current example, in total we have added the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 4, right? So you can configure as a output port, right? Then you can write here everything. Yeah, just a formula. You can write, give the output quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 value you can add it here. Got it? So this